China's rise to becoming a global superpower has been a remarkable and multifaceted journey that spans several decades. While it is challenging to encapsulate all the factors and nuances in a brief discussion, there are key elements that have contributed to China's ascent on the world stage. Economic growth and reform. China's transformation into a superpower can be attributed to its economic prowess. In the late 1970s, under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping, China embraced market-oriented economic reforms and opened itself to foreign investment. This shift unleashed the potential of China's massive population and resources. Over the years, China has experienced rapid industrialization, technological advancements, and sustained GDP growth, making it the world's second-largest economy. Manufacturing and export dominance. China's manufacturing sector has played a vital role in its rise to global power. By leveraging its vast labor force, low production costs, and favorable policies, China became the factory of the world. The country's manufacturing prowess enabled it to become a major exporter of goods, supplying everything from electronics to textiles, and gaining significant influence in global trade networks. Investment in infrastructure. China has made substantial investments in infrastructure projects, both domestically and internationally. The government's focus on developing modern transportation networks, such as high-speed railways, highways, ports, and airports, has enhanced connectivity within China and improved its ability to conduct trade globally. China South Belt and Road Initiative (BRI), an ambitious infrastructure project spanning multiple continents, has further solidified its influence and connectivity across Asia, Africa, and Europe. Technological advancements. China has made significant strides in technology and innovation, particularly in areas such as telecommunications, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. Through substantial investments in research and development, China has fostered a thriving tech industry, nurturing homegrown companies like Huawei, Alibaba, Tencent, and Xiaomi. These companies have not only become household names in China but have also gained international recognition, contributing to China's growing influence in the global tech arena. Military modernization. China has prioritized the modernization of its military capabilities. With the world's largest standing army and a significant defense budget, China has focused on strengthening its naval capabilities, developing advanced missile systems, and investing in cyber warfare. This military buildup has given China increased regional assertiveness and the ability to protect its strategic interests. Diplomacy and global engagement. China has actively pursued a strategy of diplomatic engagement, seeking to expand its influence globally. It has deepened economic ties through bilateral trade agreements, invested in developing countries, and played an active role in international organizations like the United Nations. China's growing diplomatic presence, coupled with its ability to leverage its economic clout, has allowed it to shape global narratives and become an influential player in international affairs. Long-term planning and stability. China's political system, characterized by a centralized government and long-term planning, has provided stability and continuity. The Chinese Communist Party's ability to implement long-term strategies, such as the 5-year plans, has allowed for sustained economic growth and policy coherence, enabling China to execute its vision of becoming a superpower. It is important to note that China's rise as a superpower has also raised concerns and challenges, ranging from human rights issues and environmental sustainability to geopolitical tensions and trade disputes. The path ahead for China will involve navigating these complexities while striving to maintain economic growth, social stability, and positive international relations.